This is my Mark IV Golf GTi, and at the time I bought it, it was the cheapest GTi in Ireland. There's a boatload of issues that I'll have to get to in another video, but for now I had to try fix a leaky turbo in a cramped engine bay. And while trying to do so, I did this. And while battling a serious bout of procrastination, I tried to get the broken bolt out, but it wasn't looking good.
They didn't tell me they had a child lock on this thing. It's not going the right way.
Hello everyone, and welcome back. I have brought reinforcements. Josh, if you pull this off, honestly, I owe you my life.
What's on the other side of the stud?
Nothing.
So I can drill right through it?
No.
Oh yeah, it's cutting.
Yankee ass setup over.
That is unfortunate. That's not exactly where I wanted to happen, but...
Unholiest combination to make this work.
Parts will knock the bolt loose.
Is it spinning? No, I think just the f***ing tool's eating up. Actually, the extractor is spinning.
Yeah, it is moving.
Oh my god.
Top tip, guys, make sure you breathe in the smoke so you don't waste it.
Could you hear that?
Oh, the crack?
Uh-huh.
No.
It's starting to come loose? Or the extractor is black oxide starting to crack?
Well, I have no other f***ing option, Josh, so I think maybe just go for it. Jen. Oh god. What was that?
It was moving.
No! No! Oh my god!
Oh.
You f***ing didn't! Oh my god! Oh!
Oh, look how sideways that was.
Oh! Oh! Yeah, Bosco, we f***ing did it.
Josh secured the mission after about a year of it sitting here with that bolt inside.
I thought you said it was 6 months.
It was about a year. I did that like a week after I bought the car. He got the stud out. Now we're going for the next bolt. And if that breaks, then there's really nothing to do. Yeah. Holy shit. My turbo's coming out.
I was very unhappy about it when it wasn't straight. A bit like me.
Okay, well, this has been a great episode.
Much later.
The exhaust is what's stopping us from actually taking out the turbo right now, so I'm going to see if I can just loosen some brackets off and see if we can just scooch the exhaust back and then take the turbo out. So that flange there is where the turbo connects to the downpipe, and the downpipe is connected to the rest of the exhaust. Have some of this. Ah, that's in my eye. Hopefully those two pipes aren't proper welded together. Oh god. Oh yeah. Loads of movement now. So I got the two hangers for the muffler. This should all just shift back. The two bolts I took off had nothing to do with anything there, to be honest. I think I just broke the weld that was in this cross member for the exhaust there. But hey, does the job. Now, if we take off the hanger here for the muffler, and there's another hanger just over there, we should be good. There's one, and here's the second one just behind the muffler. Right there. There we go. Exhaust hanger number 2 off. Now we can probably see how much movement this has. Oh yeah. Look at that shaking. We're so close. Can you even see this? Look at that. Oh. I think that's it. Just about. Oh no, we just pushed it all the way back in. Ah, just get out. We have the jacking up the turbo like this a little bit so I can just wiggle that downpipe off. Please. Ah. Wear glasses. It ain't safe.
Don't know if you can see how swollen my eye is. Maybe you should wear glasses when you do this next time, Ivan, you idiot.
I found a hard line that I think is the coolant return line. I think that was what was stopping us from getting everything out. Not much room in here to play around. After a day of this, you realize how weak your neck really is. There's 3 13s holding this heat shield in. Ridiculously hard to get. Look at this. Look where this is. Okay, see my finger? It's there. Good boy, focus it there. Go on, good boy. Well, that was weird. Well, it's in there. All the way in there. But thank God it was kind of loose. You already know this bolt is not going back in. Oh, I hate you. Look at this little tiny thing that caused damage. Okay. There we go. And there it is, right there. Okay. Heat shield out. I'm gonna leave all the bolts I have back in here just so I don't lose them. That's a nice thing to do, isn't it? It seems not off. I lost them. They're gone.
I have recruited some extra hands.
Hands are recruited. Hands have been recruited. 2 hands have been recruited.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah, I think it's fine.
18 people may see this.
I'm saying it with the idea that tens of people might be watching this.
What's your job today?
I'm a certified exhaust technician. I pull and push. So you attach your vice grips onto these and yank,
Awesome.
basically.
And I'll be underneath the car, prying the rest of the turbo off. Yeah!
Any movement?
No, not to me, no.
Yeah. Keep pulling. You pull harder.
No.
When in doubt, heat it out. I'm just gonna give it a Oh, we did it! Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa! Voila! What is this, brother?
GoPro.
Let me. We'll knock off the accent. What's this, bro?
It's a GoPro.
No, it's a catalytic.
Oh shit! Oh yes.
What's this, bro?
Catalytic converter.
Ah, yeah.
I got it right.
Downpipe. Ush,
let's
turbo
go.
noise.
There is the bloody turbo. There it is, finally. Free at last, hopefully.
You ready to be thanked?
You're gonna get thanked so hard.
You ready to get thanked?
You're gonna get thanked, man. Elegant.
Mark Armstrong, here we come! Thanks. I was hoping I'd get away with it, but I think I'm gonna have to take the exhaust manifold off. Wish me luck. Gonna soak these and use heat this time before I even get going.
So, you can't see it, I can't see it, but there's 4 12mm nuts on the top side and the bottom side. We're gonna go at that and hopefully get them out. It's always good to make sure your lefty loosened. One. Going for number 2. That wasn't even tight. The exhaust manifold, all the nuts are so loose, so I wonder why. I wonder what the history is behind this car.
This is the last nut.
Oh, baby. Please just come out. Please.
And we've narrowed down the culprit.
If you're trying to do this yourself, it's through there. There's a little bracket for the oil feed. Found the last banjo bolt probably for the oil feed.
Once that is off, there's nothing left. I think I've said that 10 times already, but this is the one. Oh, that was a knuckle breaker. Oh my god. That's a turbocharger, motherfucker. Oh! Big turbo. 150 horsepower. Oh my god.
In all its glory.
That is tiny, isn't it?
Bit underwhelming.
Doesn't it? That took me a year. Even if we don't do anything from this point, at least I have this to just hold on to and pretend I can fix things. Like, let me just put this over next to my exhaust manifold and welding mask because my testosterone is through the roof.
It's true, it's contagious. I'm super manly right now. Is that wait, is that offensive, is it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
But Trump's president now.
Yeah, well, fuck me, what?
Tomorrow we go to Turbotech on St. Margaret's Road.
Don't give a fucking home address.
Bring this to them. Hopefully they can recondition this and I can do some other bits to this and maybe we try to get some more power, huh? Okay, yeah, cool. Alright, bye-bye. Turbotech. Where do they go? Their sign is just a bit faded, but that is Turbotech back there.